Register bindings and upgrade. Open the tablet and click the upgrade icon. After a while, the registration page will pop up. Click to log in. Select Create an Autel ID below. Enter the email address and password in turn. And then click Send Verification Code. Enter the verification code received by the email. Now you have successfully registered. Click OK to log in. Continue to click Login according to the prompts. Now we are registered. Click Update to continue the upgrade and wait for loading. Click the functions that need to be updated in turn and wait for the update to complete.